Many people try to skirt by with no about section. This used to be called the summary because it's hard to write. We don't like to write about ourselves because we don't want to really talk about ourselves, and it's not a Minnesota thing to do and all of that. But really, we can plant the first seeds of know, like, and trust right here in our about section. When we tell people authentically who we are, we touch them. We touch them in a very special way. So my recommendation is take those questions and mine them. We have 2,000 characters. That looks like 3 fat paragraphs. Maybe you could take each of the 3 things you want to be known for and have them be featured on each of your paragraphs. Maybe you want to talk about how you do what you do differently than other people do because of your uniqueness, your life experiences. However you decide to approach it, make sure that you are speaking in the first person because this is the language of conversation. And this is the section where we win you over. This is when we get to tell our real story. Make sure you make it great.